Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make paint by numbers. First, you'll need to select a high-quality image, perhaps a cherished photo or a favorite landscape. Ensure it has good contrast and sharpness for the best results. Next, use a free online tool or software to convert your chosen image into a numbered grid. These tools allow you to adjust the level of detail and the number of colors, often ranging from 24 to 48, to suit your preference. Once your numbered design is ready, it's time to prepare your canvas. You can print the grid directly onto special canvas paper or transfer it to a traditional canvas using methods like graphite transfer. If your canvas arrives rolled, flatten it by placing weights on its corners for several hours. For an even smoother painting experience, consider applying 1 or 2 thin layers of clear gesso, allowing each to dry completely. Now gather all your essential painting supplies. You'll need a set of acrylic paints, typically 24 to 48 colors, along with a variety of brushes, usually small, medium, and large sizes. Match each paint pot to its corresponding number on your printed color key. Prepare a clean, well-lit workspace, ensuring you have 2 cups of water, 1 for rinsing and 1 for clean water, and plenty of paper towels for drying your brushes. When you begin painting, a good strategy is to work with 1 color at a time, filling all corresponding numbered sections before moving to the next. Many artists prefer starting with darker colors and progressing to lighter ones, as darker shades often cover lines more effectively. Apply thin layers of acrylic paint for better coverage and to prevent smudging. Remember to rinse and dry your brushes thoroughly between each color to maintain paint purity and achieve crisp lines.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.